Dear students, in my previous lectures, I have told you about cell membrane and the transport across cell membranes. Now, we will talk about the organelles which are present inside the cell, and here we will see the structure of mitochondria. As per mitochondria is considered, it is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. This is mitochondria, this is nucleus and a cell. It is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. In case of prokaryotic cell, mitochondria are absent. So these are also called cytoplasmic cell organelles. Cytoplasmic cell organelles. And you know that commonly these are called powerhouses of cell. That means powerhouse of cell means that these provide energy for the cell which is required for metabolic activities. Mitochondria were first discovered by Benda in 1897. Initially, these were first seen by a scientist Kulikar, but later named as mitochondria by Benda in year 1897. As far mitochondria is concerned, it is a double membranous structure. That means it has two membranes. This is the outer membrane, or you can call it envelope. The structure is same as a plasma membrane, that is, the membrane is formed of lipids and proteins, lipoproteinaceous. Lipoproteinaceous. It is formed of lipids, proteins, the same structure, which is present in cell membrane, and it shows that it is selectively permeable or subpermeable, but it is smooth membrane. Now, I have told you that it has two membranes. This is outer membrane. The inner membrane is drawn into invagination. That means these finger-like structures just like this. These finger-like structures. So it is not smooth. It is drawn in, these are invaginations. Invagination means these are finger-like structures moving towards outside, and these are called cristae. One can be named as crista. And inside, there is a space also between the two membranes. Inside, you will see a cytoplasmic-like substance, which is called matrix. It has the same composition as of cytoplasm of the cell. So there is outer membrane, there is inner membrane. Inner membrane is drawn into cristae, and crista means one, cristae means numerous, and filled with matrix. Now, these cristae, they are important. Actually, if we will examine a one crista, just like this, each cristae on the surface bears small tennis bat-like structure, just as this. I will draw here. This is the tennis bat-like structure. It is called oxisome. Oxisome or elementary particle. Oxisome or elementary particle. And if you will look at the diagram, it has a base. This is base, this is top, and this is head. These are important. There are numerous. Mitochondria can have from 10,000 to 1 lakh of these oxysomes. It depends upon the number of what is the size of the mitochondria. These oxysomes are important. Actually, they form an enzyme which is called ATP synthase. This is the important function of oxysomes. They form a chemical, this enzyme ATP synthase. That means it helps in the formation of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate, and it is rich energy product inside our cells which provides energy. It is formed from ADP actually, adenosine triphosphate, one phosphorus molecule. But ATP synthase is important. That means without ATP synthase, ATP cannot be formed. And for the formation of ATP, we have to take the help of elementary particles or oxysomes. So these are important, very important. And this enzyme is important. And if this enzyme is blocked, some poisons block the ATP synthase. They do not. They prevent the formation of ATP synthase. The cell is deprived of energy, and an animal and an organism can die. Now, one of the unique feature of mitochondria, which is not in other cell organisms, it contains a DNA, circular DNA. This is the unique feature. It contains a circular DNA, and you know that circular DNA are present in the bacterial cells also. And then in the cytoplasm there are ribosomes, also 70S ribosomes are there. Ribosomes are there, amino acids are there. So one of the primary function of mitochondria is that it provides energy in the form of ATP to the cell. So it is called powerhouse of cell. But it can also form proteins as cells form, because it has a DNA, it has ribosome 70S, and if amino acids are there, it can also form proteins. But the primary function is synthesis of ATP, which is an energy product and provided to the cells. So this was the structure and function of mitochondria. Thanks.